We hope that you use the weekend to deck your own halls because today it's going to be a washout. Llarisa is keeping track of some potentially severe weather later this afternoon.
That is absolutely right, Jim. Good afternoon to you. It's been a busy weather day so far. We've been dealing with rain, rumbles of thunder, the potential for severe weather still likely. And aside from all of that, it's also been very, very windy. We'll go ahead and zoom on in because we do have some thunderstorms to talk about. Just outside of the Lancaster area, they're beginning to see some storms, and this little line of storms will continue to drift north and east. That is the general movement of all of these storms and all of this rain that you see. Rain has really thinned out compared to where we were just a few hours ago. Places like Philly, even south into Wilmington, much of South Jersey catching a break in the precipitation, but we're not quite out of the woods. We still have the afternoon and even part of the evening to go through before the threat of severe weather dies down altogether. Now, taking a closer look at who's seeing what, Reading to Lancaster, this is where we have some heavier pockets of rain, some downpours at the moment, and we'll continue with that being one of the threats we'll watch for closely as we head towards the rest of this afternoon. But winds, that's what we've been dealing with pretty much all morning long. You can see your wind gusts right now taking the cake right along the Jersey Shore points. That's actually where a wind advisory is in effect, and that does include, I should say, Salem County. And you can see that even as far inland as the I-95 corridor, you're also seeing very strong wind gusts. 32-mile-an-hour wind speeds right now out in Philadelphia, 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Trenton, New Jersey, and same holds true across Delaware. So as far as the winds for the rest of the day, we're going to see those winds sustain anywhere between 20 to possibly 30 miles an hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour, not out of the question. And because of that, we can see downed trees as well as wires. Scattered power outages and not out of the question as well. So heed to advisories. Notice here 4:30, once again, scattered showers across the region. Still pockets of downpours, still isolated thunderstorms. We cannot rule that out. As we approach that 8:45 hour, you can see that much of the rain will already begin to end, but we'll still see lingering showers out there. And then that gives way to our Tuesday, which will be so much more quieter. Downpours are still the #1 impact in addition to those winds. Hail right now, that impact, or that threat I should say, is small in addition to tornadoes, but it's still not quite, we're still not out of the woods, I should say. 7-day forecast shows we're much drier here starting tomorrow, Tuesday. It's going to be windy and cold to welcome the first day of December. 48 degrees, you factor in the window, and those wind chills will be in the 30s all day long on Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, a little bit better, brighter, with temperatures climbing to 45 degrees. We're keeping things nice and quiet into the day on Thursday, and temperatures, they rebound on Thursday, Jim. We're back in the 50s, and then showers quickly return for Friday afternoon, but temps do remain in the 50s for us as we round out the week.
A little bit of everything. Thank you, Llarisa.